Is your PC overheating? Let's fix it quickly by undervolting your CPU. Here's how. First, open the registry editor. Press Win-R, type reddit and hit enter. Go to this path. Find the attributes entry in the right pane. Double-click attributes and set its value to 2. Restart your PC. Next, open Control Panel Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings next to Balanced. Go to Advanced Power Settings, expand Processor Power Management. Set maximum processor frequency to 3000 MHz for both. Set minimum processor state to 10% and maximum processor state to 100%. Click Apply and OK to save. Other options. Close apps and programs you're not using. Open Task Manager. Check for apps running in the background and end any you don't need. Monitor your device's temperature with tools like HW Monitor. It helps you keep an eye on your CPU and GPU heat levels. If your PC or laptop is over 2 years old, consider replacing the thermal paste on your CPU or GPU. Use high-quality thermal paste for better heat transfer and lower temperatures. And that's it. Your PC should now stay cooler and run smoothly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.